भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्ति भगवती निश्चित नष्ट प्रायेश और भद्रेश इसमें मतलब काम क्रोध आदि.
So all the काम क्रोध, these all are abhadra. It is not. Do you know Bhadra? What is that? What? Gentleman. Bhadra means the gentleman, a sober person, simple person. You know sober person? Who is sober person? And who is Abhadra? Who is not gentleman? Who is rude or stupid, nonsense rascals? He is Abhadra. That's why he is saying, the same way, we should always serve the Bhagavata. All the abhadras, anarth, all the anarth will be destroyed. All the kam, krodh, lobha, mat, matsarya, ahankar will be destroyed gradually. Then what happens? Then we get nishtha towards Krishna's feet, or gradually. What is nishtha? What is nishtha? We will be one pointed towards the feet of Krishna's. If we have kam, krodh, or if we have anarth or vikar in our hearts, so sometimes our heart will, or our mind is not stable. We always think what to do, how to do. Still we are not. Till then we are not one pointed. Our heart always will be here and there. We will got so many kinds of views in our minds. So we got so many kinds of worries in our mind. This is good or this is bad. We always keep on thinking like that. Our mind is not stable. Sometimes we goes to karma marg, sometimes we goes to gyan marg, and sometimes we goes to yog marg, and sometimes we come to the bhakti marg. This is the same way our mind is not stable. He wanders here and there. But look, when we serve our Guru or Vaishnava, and all the lust, langar, and angry, everything from our hearts destroy gradually. So the more we remove lust and langar, anger from our hearts, so we will get the nishtha towards the feet of Guru and Gauranga. So that's why we are saying one word again and again. It is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying, nishtha. When you get nishtha, when you have your mind fixed, then gradually in the heart of a sadhak, we will get waves of love in our heart. We will get gradually that. So when we will get nishtha in our heart, so the vibration of the love will resides in our heart. So what we have to do? We have to stable our mind first. How the heart will be stable? Guru Vaishnava ki seva kar. How you will stable? How you stable your mind? Arjuna asked to Govind, hey Govind, please tell me one thing. Chanchali mana Krishna, pramadi pravartate. My mind is too chanchal. It's not stable. Then Bhagavan is saying,
प्रकार के अगर आप स्थिति जो है
there are two ways you can stable your mind. You can control your mind.
कैसे
How?
आप बताओ। अभ्यास और वैराग्य से भी
Just abhyas and vairagya.
है। गीता में भगवान का क्या
Gita, in the Gita, Bhagavan is same. Abhyas, do exercise. Abhyas, 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 repetition.
है?
Again and again do abhyas.
वैराग्य
And do vairagya.
वैराग्य माने
What vairagya?
विषय से अनासक्त हो जाए।
So get the vairagya from the things like Vishaya. You should be anasakta from all the things.
चित्त का मानव हो रहा है।
So seeing any kind of things, our heart is going towards them, or we are getting fickle-minded there. So what we have to do, we have to make a distance from that thing.
एक विषय से दूर हटना और भगवान
So
के
first
प्रति
you have to keep away yourself from the vishayas, and second, keep anurag, keep faith in the feet of Krishna, have developed love, anurag.
एक साथ दो काम करना।
You have to do two things.
सांसारिक विषय से
So materially, you have to keep a distance towards material things, and the second thing,
और भगवत विषय में अनुराग
and you have to keep engage yourself in Bhagavad related things of which is belongs to Bhagwan.
क्योंकि एक ही साथ में दो काम नहीं होगा।
You cannot do two things simultaneously.
तलवार जो है मैं क्या बोलते हैं ये ज्ञान में दो
There are
तलवार नहीं
one sword cannot live in
है। सिर्फ
two
उसी
sword cannot
प्रकार
live in one man.
विषय में
So that's
देखो,
why
भगवान ने
keep your faith towards Vishay or Bhagwan. Choice is yours.
हम तो दोनों तरफ रखना चाहते हैं।
But we want to be two sides, both sides. We would like to enjoy the material senses, material things, and we would like to keep ourselves also engaged in the service of Krishna, Bhagwan.
भक्त भगवान की सेवा करते करते
So when we do Bhakt Seva of Guru and Vaishnava, we will get Nishtha.
तदा राजतमो भावा कामो लोभादस्यते चेतो ईकरुणारुद्धस्ते तं शक्ति प्रसीदते। भागवत में आज इसको
It is said in the Bhagavatam. There is a shloka in Bhagavatam, just like in the same way,
चित्त जब स्थिर हो जाए
when your heart will be stable or your mind will be stable
भगवत सेवा में
in the service of Krishna, in the service of Bhagwan,
तब काम
Then-
आदि
then lust, anger, and everything, vikar, will go out from your heart.
सताएंगे।
They will not tease you.
अभी काम को सताएंगे।
Sometimes now your calm, krodh, lobo, mad, mascharya, vikar is teasing you.
आप चाहते नहीं
You don't want, but still they are teasing you.
आपको चित्त
They are making your mind fickle. They are confusing your mind.
भगवान
But-
नाम ग्रहण करते
But when you accept the name of Krishna, you chant the name of Bhagwan,
यह मतलब प्रार्थना करते
and when you pray to the Bhagwan, near Bhagwan, then gradually all the vikar will go out from your heart.
हैं, शांत हो जाए।
Then your mind will be peaceful.
गीता में बोले श्रीमद् भागवत
It's
में
Srimad Bhagavatam, Swami Krishna is saying,
मैं अविष्ट मेरे प्रति अविष्ट हो जाए
if you are get engaged in the service of mind,
स्वाभाविक रूप में
spontaneously all the vikar, काम, krodh, lobha, mat, master will go out from your heart.
तो कैसे होगा हमने
So how? There are two kinds. How it is possible? There are two ways. First is abhyas, second is vairagya. Again and again, repetition towards service of Krishna or Bhagwan.
जैसे श्लोक याद नहीं हुआ
Just like if you are not able to learn the shloka, then what you have to do? Again and again you have to read the shloka. Then gradually you will read that shloka and learn that shloka. After some times you will learn that shloka.
इसी का व्यवहार
That is called repetition. That is called abhyasa. Again and again do repetition.
आगे आइए
Now come.
और इसी का ही
That's why it's saying
श्रवण
listening Hari Gatha, Kirtan, Smaranam.
चित्त
By all these things your heart will be stable.
इसलिए भगवत कथा आदि
So that's why we should always
श्रवण
hear Bhagavad Katha and Bhagwan Kirtan and Bhagwan. We should pray to the
हृदय की जो है
Lord. We have to open our heart towards Bhagwan. Before Bhagwan, we should always pray. What we are. We have to open our heart before Bhagwan.
कैसे
How?
ये तो स्तुति आदि के द्वारा
All the stuff stuti you should do.
प्रार्थना करो
Do prayer.
है इसलिए हम लोग
That's why we always
ही पंचम
we are
साधन
we are listening this Panchashravan,
ये
Panchavadhyay.
राधे के निकट
That how what prayer we should do before Radhaji. Yesterday I was discussing.
हे राधे
Hey Radhe, hey Vrishvananandini,
तुम्हारा किंकरित
I just want to be the Kinkrit. I just want to accept the. Please accept me as your Kinkrit, as your Dasi.
वृंदावन कुंज विधि की अतिथि कौर
When I will be the guest of the Vrindavan Kunja,
राधा दर्शन
Radha Dasyam. I don't need in this world anything else. I just want.
हे राधे केवल आपके चरण
Hey Radhe, I just want the kinkri of your lotus feet dust. Please accept me as like your dasi, as your dasi.
इसकी कथा को आगे
So now we are discussing this katha. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying,
जन्म जन्म
after so many births,
राधा की दासी होने के लिए अभिलाषा
so I have one desire only, that birth after birth I should get the designation of dasi of Srimati Radharani. I don't have any desire.
विनाशमूर्ति आनंद कंद परमरूप शुभलक्ष्म ब्रह्मादि दुर्लभ गति विश्वानुजाय कैंकर्यमेव जन्म जन्मनि
Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, Radha Rasudhanidhi, in describing there, writing there, he's expressing his feelings there. Hey Vilas Murti of Shyam Sundar,
श्री कृष्ण की परम अद्भुत सूक्ष्म लक्ष्मी है तथा ब्रह्मा आदि के लिए दुर्लभ है इन्हीं विश्वानुराजनी दासित मुझे जन्मा जन्म को प्राप्त हुआ
hey, he is praying before Lord Krishna, hey Krishna, hey Radharani, when I will get the darshan, when I will get the service of your lotus feet.
अपार रसे सारे विलास मुक्ति परमाद्भुत सुख आनंद निवृत्ति ब्रह्मादि दुर्लभ विश्वभानु तन्ना जन्म जन्म तरदर्शे वही जन्म धन्ना
Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying in Bangla too. Hey Vrishwanananda Srimati Radhika Rani, you always get too much pleasure with your Pran Govinda in the Nikunja Vilas. How beautiful this word is. Aha. You are a Lakshmi Swarupa yourself. You have all kind of sampada. You have all kind of wealth, and you always provide all kind of wealth to everybody.
सब कुछ देने वाला
You give everything,
क्या इस जगत की बात इस जगत सब जगत
not only in this world, everywhere in this material world, in Chit Jagat. Whatever people get, just because of you, whatever we get, money, possession, everything. Just
वास्तव को देने वाले कौन है
so, who is the real provider? You are.
विश्वमान
Sarva Sampada Vishwadunandini. All things provider is Srimati Radhika Rani. Whatever we are getting, health, wealth, and possessions, just because of you, you are the real provider. Hey Vishwanu, you are the real provider. It's okay.
मालिक
If Krishna is honor, we think that Krishna is honor, he is honor.
राधा जी को क्या मानते
What do you think about Radha Rani? Malkin? Malkin? Radha Rani must be Malkin. If Krishna is honor, then she is a lady honor.
कोई वस्तु की प्राप्ति करना है
And if you want to get something, then what you have to do?
कैसे प्राप्त करना
How will you
कैसे
go?
मिलेगा
माता जी के पास जाएंगे,
हैं
मालकिन के पास.
मालिक इन्हीं के पास है।
Then if you need anything, then what you will do? Then you will go to the maid Malkin, lady Malkin.
हैं? किंतु मालिक इन्हीं के पास चले जाओ
Sometimes king doesn't want to the Malik, the owner doesn't want to give you something. But if you go to the wife of that Malik, owner, then she will give you.
हैं? यार,
If you touch the feet of her, then her heart will be melted and she will give you.
काम हो गया तुम्हारा।
Just you have done your work. Everything you will get there.
हो सकता है
It may be possible the honor will not provide you anything.
किंतु देखो
But if you go to the Malkin, the lady owner, and if you touches her feet and weep there a little bit, cry for a while, little bit,
हैं?
and pretend to be cry there, then she will.
अपने आंखों से आंसू के निकाल
When you will be pretend there for crying, then Malkin and Lady Malkin, the lady owner, will provide you whatever you want.
हैं? क्योंकि पुरुष के अंदर थोड़ा
Because man's heart is little bit hard,
हैं? विचार करते हैं दे ना दे
and they will think about that I should give or not. The man will think always like that. But if you go
स्त्री के लिए हृदय
go to the lady, then it's because she has a soft heart, then she can provide you.
है कि नहीं? अगर किसी के लिए पैसा लेना हो
And if you want to borrow some money from anybody, then what you have to do?
मालिक के पास
And if you go to the owner,
समंदर किसके पास रख लो
go to the lady owner.
हैं? और मालिक ही प्रसन्न हो जाए
And if the Malkini, the lady owner, will be pleased, then your work will be done.
हैं? ठीक उसी प्रकार
Just like that, in the same way,
प्रेम और संपदा
samasta, all the prem sambada, Shrimati Radhika Rani.
इसलिए कहते हैं
That's why it is saying,
अपार रस विलास मुक्ते आनंद कंद परम अद्भुत सूक्ष्म लक्षण है अत परम अद्भुत
you are incredible, Adbhut,
और
and
शुद्ध
and all kind of Aishwarya, you provider, you provides everybody all kinds of Aishwarya and anything. There is nothing in this world that you cannot provide to anyone.
जगत में आप किससे मानते हैं
So in this world, whom we ask to Lakshmi.
क्योंकि लक्ष्मी है
But who is this Lakshmi?
मूल लक्ष्मी जो है
Who is Mool Lakshmi, the original Lakshmi, Srimati Radhika?
कई लक्ष्मी के बारे में
There are many kinds of Lakshmi. It is mentioned in the scriptures. There are many kinds of Lakshmis.
वही श्रीमती राधिका
And who is Sarva Lakshmi, the original Lakshmi, Srimati Radhika Rani?
लक्ष्मी के बारे में आपको जानना
How many Lakshmi you know? Are you-
है इस संसार में
In this
लक्ष्मी
world,
कहा जाता है
in
धनदात्री लक्ष्मी
in this world, who is Lakshmi? That is Dhandatri,
है जो घर घर में पूजी होती
who is always worshipable in every house. She is Dhandatri.
देखो घर में आपकी कौन कौन तो रहा
Who lives in your heart? Home. Ganesh and Lakshmi.
है घर सिद्धि दे देते
Ganesh provide you siddhi,
और लक्ष्मी
and Lakshmi provide you money.
भंडार भंडार को उजाड़ दें
She will give you so much money
इसलिए संसार के लोग
in this world. So people always worship this Lakshmi Ganesha.
लक्ष्मी की पूजा करते हैं। और एक लक्ष्मी के बारे में
And there is another Lakshmi,
सर्व लक्ष्मी
Swarga Lakshmi.
सर्व में रहती
who lives in Swarga.
खरगोन लक्ष्मी कहाँ है?
So she is called Swarga Lakshmi.
और एक लक्ष्मी क्या है?
There is another
वैकुंठ में
Lakshmi
रहती है।
who lives in Vaikunt. She is called Vaikunt Lakshmi.
आता है? वो भी लक्ष्मी है।
She is also Lakshmi.
और एक
And there is another Lakshmi
जितनी लक्ष्मियां है,
who there are many kinds of Lakshmis.
मूल लक्ष्मी
So the original Lakshmi is Shrimati Radhika Rani. That's why it is saying Sarva Lakshmi Mohi Shrimati Radhe.
क्या प्राप्ति का धन से भी प्राप्ति करना
So
है,
material or
राधे के चरण।
unmaterial, so whatever you want goes to Radharani
ये तो वही तो मालिक नहीं है,
because she is the honor.
कृष्ण मालिक है।
Krishna is honor.
आपको मैंने कहा था एक जन सम्राट, एक जन सब
Kalapunsa Krishnastu
कृष्णस्तु
Bhagwan Swayam. It is mentioned in the scriptures. Krishna is Bhagwan. No problem.
आज है कृष्ण भगवान के थोड़ा प्रणाम करके घर
You
में
do offer Dandavat Pranam to Bhagwan.
है, घर में मालिक बैठा हुआ है,
If he is sitting at home,
कहते कहाँ जा रहे हो?
if the honor is sitting at home, then
मालिक पूछे
if Malik asks, then where are you going?
है? थोड़ा बहन जी के साथ क्या बोलते हैं? बहन जी के साथ मिलने जा।
Okay, we are going to meet Bahenji, the sister. Okay, go.
मालिक कहेंगे अच्छा जाओ।
Malik will say, okay, go. The honor
और
will say,
जाने
go.
के बाद
But when you go with the Malkin, just touch her feet, touch the feet of Shrimati Radhika Rani. She is the lady honor. And if you want to do your work very slight way, then what you will do? When you will touch the feet of Shrimati Radhika Rani, she will bend down.
और अपने और का हस्त
Then she will put her right hand on your head. बोलो वृंदावन में हरिलाल की जाए.
इसलिए कहते हैं बच्चों
That's
इतनी
why-
बार प्रणाम क्यों करते हैं?
That's why it is saying, why do we offer so much Dandavat Pranam to the Vaishnava? Some people says like this.
एक बार कर लिया
Arey,
और
once
सलाम
you have
ठोक
done,
दे। हैं? सलाम ठोक दो।
first must do salute one time only, but you do pranam from morning to evening to Vaishnava. Why? Why?
बोले यही है।
Because just we would like to get the mercy of them.
बोले हम जब प्रणाम करेंगे ना,
When we do offer pranam, Dandavat Pranam to
वो
whom?
अपने आप तुम्हारे
So
को
whom you will do Dandavat Pranam, he will bend down towards you and he will put his hand on your head. In the Kurukshetra battle, before the Kurukshetra battle,
दोनों सेना दोनों तरफ आएंगे।
there were 2 points of warrior against each other. They were in front of each other.
अर्जुन कहने लगे,
Arjun was saying,
हे सखा कृष्ण,
hey Krishna,
मेरे रथ के जो है दोनों
please
सेनाओं के बीच में
keep my rath between both side of armies, between the both armies.
भगवान कृष्ण
And what Bhagwan did,
अर्जुन के रथ को
he
बीच में रखा।
put the chariot between both armies.
दोनों सेना को देख के
Seeing both side armies, what Arjun said,
एक बाण ऐसे चला
he
और जाकर के
throw a wand
के चरण स्पर्श करती हुई।
which touches the feet of Dronacharya.
गुरु है ना द्रोणाचार्य।
He is Guru.
पहले बाण चलाया कैसे?
He threw a wand, arrow. He threw an arrow. Arjun threw an arrow which goes to Dronacharya's feet. And Dronacharya put his hand, give his hand to and he said, Vijay Bhava, you victory, get the victory. And second arrow, he threw a second arrow towards the feet of Bhishma Pitama, and the feet of Bhishma Pitama. Bhishma Pitama got that he is doing pranam. And Bhishma said also, Vijayi Bhava. Duryodhan got angry. Duryodhan got angry that time that he said he came to fight with me, but now he is doing pranam. He is doing pranam, and Duryodhan got too much angry because he is here to battle with us, and Bhishma Pitama and Dronacharya is giving blessing to him. He is saying Vijay Bhava. What Duryodhan wants that he would like to get, he would like to get victory over the Arjun, but his side's army's men, Arjun, Duryodhan, sorry, Dronacharya and Bhishma Pitama is giving blessing to Arjun. And Bhishma Pitama said, Bhishma Pitama said, "Oh Duryodhan Murk, oh fool Duryodhan, yes, please understand my meanings. Whom do you will do offer pranam? His high right hand, his blessing hands, spontaneously will come on the head of that person. आएगा और नहीं आएगा. Come will not. If you do offer someone, then you will not stand up. You will bow down and give your blessing hand to him. You will give your blessing hand to him on his head. It spontaneously happens. Just in the same way, and the Bhishma Pitama is saying, "Oh fool Duryodhan, if you do offer pranam to me, then I will give bless to you the same way." But you are too much egoist. You are ahankari. The person who is too much egoist, his head never go down. This is the meaning of saying. What is the meaning of saying? Before the battle, Arjun did pranam to their Parijan and got the blessings from them. In the same way, we are saying Krishna is Malik. Okay, but who is Malkin? Radharani is the Malkin. So if you need something, then you should go to the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika Rani. Bow down to the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. Do your Dandavat Pranam to her. जब भी देखो तभी. Why do we pranam to the Vaishnava? Because their brothers, the blessing hands come on our head. Hey Brishmanu Nandini Shrimati Radhika Rani. So there are many kinds of Devtagan like Brahma and all, and your lotus feet is not able to see of them. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande Manasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande Yadyapi Samadhishu Vidrapi Pashati Natava Nakagramariche Idami Chami Shamutavachuta Tadapi with O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande Manasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande. Krishna's lotus feet is not able to seen by Brahma. Many kinds of Devata. Brahmaji was doing meditation, but still he didn't get lotus feet of Krishna in the heart. Sometimes he appeared in the heart of Brahma, or sometimes did not. If Brahma meditate upon Krishna's feet, and now look what the devotees do. They always pray before the Bhagavan. Vishwanu, the lotus feet of Shrimati Vishwanu, which is very rare for Brahma, very rare for Brahma, the rarest. Once, Bhrigu Rishi came to Brahma. Hey Brahma,
हमें राधा जी के बारे में कुछ श्रवण करें।
Please tell me something about
तो उस
Srimati
समय ब्रह्मा जी
Radhikarani.
बोले,
Then Brahma said,
हे प्रभु मैं
"Hey
क्या
Prabhu,
करूं?
what should I tell you?
60,000 साल तक मैंने
60 years
तपस्या
I did austerity.
तथापि
Still, I didn't get
श्रीमती राधा जी
I didn't get
चरण कमल की
the lotus feet of Srimati Radhikarani. I didn't visit the lotus feet of Srimati Radhikarani because the Radha's feet is very very rare.
हम तो कहते हैं मिल जाए।
We says you will get, but you know that Brahma and there are many kinds of devata cannot get that, which is very rare. So that's why it is saying.
मैं जानता हूँ
I know, hey Srimati Radhike, your lotus feet, Brahma and Adi, many devatas cannot get the lotus feet of yours, which is very rare to them. Many kinds of Muni, who is Muni, who always manan, who always, and the Gyanis,
ज्ञान के द्वारा चित्त के इंद्रिय के संयत करने वाला
who always stay stable their heart by the Gyan, the knowledge. So by this Gyanis is not possible the feet of Srimati Radhikarani, Munindra, Gyanendra, Dhyanendra, who always meditate upon Srimati Radhikarani's feet, they cannot get the feet of Srimati Radhikarani. Sometimes they can get the feet of Srimati Radhikarani in their meditation, but it is not possible for them. So that's why it is saying, which is not possible Brahma and many kinds of devata, which is very rare for them. It is not possible for them. Still, I have a desire in my heart. I had a wish in my heart. Hey Radhikarani, birth after birth, I may get the lotus feet. I will get the dasis of infinite of your lotus feet. I have just the same prayer only. I will get the dasi pad of your lotus feet. I don't want anything more. I just need the dasi pad of your lotus feet. Please accept me as your dasi. Srila Gurudev was explaining please, he is praying for accepting the dasi pad of Srimati Radhikarani, which is not possible in this gross body. This is our Panchbhautik Sharir body. Then how will we get? So that's why it is saying Guru Padatta Mantra, the mantra which is provided by the Guru, you should chant that always very carefully. After chanting these mantras, he will get the realization of his own transcendental form. So whatever the mantra is provided by the Guru, you should chant always very carefully that. Diksha mantra, Gayatri mantra. So whatever the Diksha or Gayatri mantra you got from your Guru, you should always chant there. So these mantras, when you chant this mantra, keep on chanting this mantra. Sometimes gradually you will get the Swarup Uplabdhi, the transcendental form of yours in your heart. You will realize your Swarup. So spontaneously you will get the prem towards the feet, and you will get the pleasure. First you will get your own transcendental, realize your own transcendental form, and then transcendental form. First you should always try to focus on that. Please know yourself, who you are. Try to know about yourself first. If you don't know yourself, that who you are, then how is it possible to know about somebody else? First, who am I? First, try to know yourself that I am the Dasi of Srimati Radhikarani. Keep realizing this always. You have in your heart, you have the Mahadhan, the money in your heart. But you have to do
अनुभव करो।
You have to realize that only.
तुम्हारे घर
You
में
have in
तुम्हारी
your
बुराई
heart.
नहीं,
You have in your heart
जो दर्द
home.
रखा हुआ है,
It is inside there.
फिर उसको तुम क्या करो?
But you have to do.
अनुभव करो।
You have to feel that.
कृष्ण प्रेम साधन को
Because
साधन के द्वारा मिलेगा।
it is not possible. It's not possible by the sadhana.
केवल
Because it is, you already have
चित्त
that.
निर्मल करा करके
But you have to do, clean your
संत
heart.
महात्मा के मुखार बिंद से
You have to hear Hari Katha from the Sant Mahatma. When you keep on listening all these things, your heart will be clean, and that will you will realize your form. You are very rare, Bahumula. Now it is covered by the dust.
मिट्टी आदि बड़ा बहुत दिन
There are many kinds of dust.
है।
There.
50 साल से घर में पड़ा हुआ
It is over 50 years. You don't know.
है। तो उसको क्या करना
So
पड़ेगा?
what you have to do? You have to clean it first.
जैसे मानो एक सोने
Just
के
like
टुकड़ा
that, there
में
is a Sony's
आज
gold
50
coin,
साल हो गया,
and it has been a long time, like 50 years, and you haven't opened that.
और अभी थोड़ा देखा तो
And when you
उसके
see
बाद
that it is covered with the dust, there is too much dust on it.
थोड़ा वो लोग कहते हैं ना, हाँ,
जंग तो लोहे पे उस पे लगती है. जंग?
जल्दी थोड़ा मैला जम गया।
Okay, it's a kind of dust on the gold coin. So what you have to do? You have to clean that.
अच्छी तरह से घिसो।
Please clean it very carefully. Then after some time, that will be shining.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
It is the same way.
हृदय में जो प्रेम भावना है,
You have the prem dhan in your heart. But you have to do, you have to clean. Take out it.
कैसे?
How?
तो जो मैला जो तुम्हारे पड़ा
So the
हुआ
dust
है,
you have inside your heart, you have to keep that out.
जैसे नाम संकीर्तन
So how it is
करते
possible?
करते
Just keep on Nam Sankirtan. Then your heart will be clean, pious.
मैला पड़ा हुआ
So
है।
whatever the dust you have inside your heart, that will go out. Please keep it out.
मार्जना,
Cheto darpana marjanam. Bhava, bhavata,
आयना के जगह। ऐसा कुछ है,
So
क्या करो?
clean karo. So clean your mirror heart.
है तुम्हारे पास।
You have that.
कहीं इधर-उधर जाना नहीं
There
पड़ेगा।
is no need to go here and there.
आप समझ लीजिए, इसको
You
बार-बार
understand? That's why I'm saying again and again. Mahaprabhu is saying again and again. You have that in your heart. Sadhya Kadyanai Shranadi. Just keep on hearing. Dasasaka Atmanivedanam. This kind of 9 lives of bhakti you have to follow only. Shramadi Chitta Shuddhe Karode. Elaborated. The Bahumulya Dhan possession which is inside your heart for last many days. Now it is in your heart, but it is covered by the dust. It's mala. It is covered by dust. What you have to remove that dust? How you will remove that? Just listening Hari Katha, Shravana. So the prem dhan you have, so that's why it is saying. So realizing your own form, so the sadhak must have a pragar prem towards the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani. Then we'll get the pleasure of Srimati Radhika Rani's own form.
निखिल रसों का साथ सिद्धार्था विलास की मूर्ति वही माधुर्य अपार उसका साथ है श्री राधा का मदनात्म प्रेम आनंद के घन विग्रह श्री गोविंद के चित्त में श्री संभोगानंद से उच्छलित करते और उन्हें किसी भी प्रकार अपनी क्रिया से मिलन के लिए विवश एवं व्याकुल कर देता है। इसलिए मैं कभी श्री धरमधर मिलन के लिए व्रतरत्न सिंह होते हैं तो कभी सचियों के चरण में प्रणत होते हैं। देखो श्री स्वामी भी मिलन सुख में गोविंद के उनकी संभाषण से भी अधिक संभोग रस आनंद की अनिर्वचनीय रूप में प्रदान करती है। स्वयं कृष्ण ने
Swayam Krishna himself,
राधा जी की प्रेम रस
he always tasted Radha Rani's ras.
मिलन रस आस्वादन करती
He is meeting us always
है।
tasted.
कभी-कभी कैसे
Sometimes he comes in a different kinds of dresses.
माली हरनी के वेश में आया।
Sometimes he come like Mali Harni kya?
माला बेचने वाला,
Sometimes he come as a garland seller.
कभी चूड़ी बेचने वाला,
Sometimes he comes like a bengal seller, bangles. मलिहारी का वेश बनाया, शाम चूड़ी बेचने।
शोर मचाया,
There is a Braj Kirtan in.
चूड़ी बेचने आया।
There is a
जानते हो?
Braj मलिहारी का वेश बनाया, शाम चूड़ी बेच। मलिहारी हाँ ऐसा ही है। This is a Braj Kirtan. He is saying about the Braj Kirtan.
ने क्या वेश बनाया?
Yasham Sundar changed himself as a Bengal seller.
देखो, और ब्रज में शोर मच
And there is a noise in the Braj. Oh, who is coming? There is a beautiful boy. He is selling bangles. He is selling bangles.
मणिहारी के
Vesh banaya.
मणिहारी दुकान
Who is Manihari?
अनेक प्रकार की चूड़ियां हीरा मोती
Who has many kinds of bangles?
जैसे में शोर मचाया संग चूड़ी बेचने आया। हाँ? देखो सारे सखियां
So all the gopis, all the sakhis.
और फिर क्या करते हैं?
And what we do then?
स्वयं कृष्ण
And then Krishna himself is taking the rasaswadan of Srimati Radhika.
वो राधा जी के हाथ में
He is putting that bangles in the in the hand of Srimati Radhika Rani.
तो कैसे बने?
While he was
आप कैसे तो दबाते हैं ना?
pressing the heart of Srimati Radhika Rani, pressing the head of Srimati Radhika Rani. When he pressed the heart a little bit of Srimati Radhika Rani, Radha Rani got to know, oh, he is Chaliya.
ये मणिहारी नहीं है।
He is not Manihari. He is Krishna himself.
तो उसमें अनेक प्रकार के भाव भाव
And that there are many kinds of ras madhurya was appearing.
देखो कैसे स्वयं राधा जी
Swam Radhaji,
कैसे
Radhaji herself.
इसकी कथा कभी तो मैं सुना।
Sometimes I used to tell the Braj stories. This is very true.
दर्शना के रहने वाले
In the Barsana,
सेठ जी
there was a Seth who used to live in Barsana.
बहुत दुखी थे।
He was very sad.
उनके दो तीन पुत्र हाँ
He had three sons.
तीन बेटा।
Three sons.
और कुछ दिनों के बाद
But after some time,
पत्नी भी चली गई।
her wife got
घर में
died.
आज कौन है?
So there are how many people in
तीन
house?
बेटा है।
Three sons.
शादी करा दी।
And he got married of his. Their three sons. Their three bahus. The bridegrooms came.
सेठ जी सुबह दुकान में चले जाते
So
हैं।
Sethji used to go to the shop morning and come to the evening.
देखो घर में आकर के
So while returning to the home, so who he should talk?
उनके साथ में एकांत हो
He cannot talk with their bridegrooms.
दे दिया आवाज उसने है आज बेटा तो तीन बेटा तो है
And then his three sons, they already gone to work.
वो भी सुबह चले जाते हैं।
They went to the morning and came to the night.
शेर जी के मन में बहुत दुख।
Says the Sethji had a desire in heart.
ये घर में केवल मैसेज की वजह से काम करते जा
So
रहे
I am working like a machine in this home. If my wife was there, so I used to talk with her. I had a word with her, but now she is not anymore.
हैं दुखी
And he was sad.
है। अच्छा कम से कम एक बेटी होती
Okay, sometimes if I had a baby, a girl,
काम धाम करके
then she can do work and she can talk to me. So I can talk with her.
घर में तो तीन बहू हैं।
There are only three bahus, brides in the house, my son's wife. So I cannot talk too much to her there. Then once a sant came to at the home of that Sethji,
संत महात्मा बोले सेठ जी क्या बात।
Mahatma said that why are you crying?
संत महात्मा सेठ जी अपने
Sethji
हृदय की
said
बोली
that
बोली,
I have,
सारी बात सुनाए।
and he said all the things of that my wife got died.
कई साल हो
It has been a long time.
तीन बेटा के तो
I
शादी
had three
करा,
sons and got married them.
धन संपदा के कम
I
नहीं
have too much
कमाई।
money. There is no need. There is no lackingness of all these things.
बहुएं भी बहुत
I have
अच्छी
too much
है,
positions.
उसकी लायक अच्छी है।
My son's wife are very nice. They are very well educated.
किंतु देखो
But
बहुएं तो बहुएं होते हैं,
Bahu
अपने
is
काम
not.
में लगी रहती
Brides are brides.
हैं। ससुर के साथ बड़ी हंसी
They
मजाक
cannot, talk too much to me.
ना थोड़ी बात करते, किसी करके अपना करते घूंघट देके भी
In the brush, there is a parda pratha.
इसके नियम होता है।
It's a rule.
बहुएं क्या करती है? घूंघट करती है।
In the brush,
ठीक है,
the
खाने के
bridegroom,
बैठे,
the bahu used to do parda.
पिताजी प्रसाद ग्रहण करके बाद खाली करके
So what they do, they comes to the father and say, Pitaji, please take food and go.
कुछ पूछो तो थोड़ा बहुत
And if you ask someone to him, then they will reply little bit, not more than that.
यदि करने लगे
So he said to the Mahatma,
हैं? सेठ जी,
Sethji
संत महात्मा बोले
said to Mahatma,
क्या?
what should I do?
बेटी होती कब
If I had a
अच्छा,
daughter,
बेटी की शादी नहीं हो जाए, बेटी के घर में चले जाए।
if the daughter got married, there is no worry that I can go with her home too. But there are three sons and her wives, and I cannot talk too much with them.
इस कथा को सुन करके
So hearing
संत
this katha, Sant Mahatma said,
सेठ जी आप
"Oh Sethji, you are too much Mahabhagyavan because you got birth in this Braj Dham, in the Dham of Barsana,
लोग जो है
and you are living in Barsana."
बेटी मान
So they always say that Radharani is our daughter,
उसके अपने पुत्र मानते हैं।
and who are living in Nandagaon, they always think that Krishna is our son.
तो देखो
Where,
नंदगांव में जितने भी लोग
whoever lives in Nandagaon,
सब कृष्ण के
they think that Krishna is our son,
और
and who is living in Valsana, they think that Radharani is our daughter, Beti.
अपने बेटी मानते हैं। बड़ी लोग
Maybe
हैं? कृष्णभानु महाराज के लड़की
Maybe she is, yes, she is the daughter of Vishnu, but they still all the Brajvasi, all the people who are living in Barsana, they think that Radharani is our daughter. So this is the the Prem Madhurya of Braja.
नंदगांव के लोग बरसना के लोग अपने अपने अभिमान में रहते हैं।
Still today, even today, Brajvasis like Nanda Baba's house people and the Barsana's people always like things like that Radharani is our daughter and Krishna is our son.
इसलिए बरसना के लोग
That's why the Barsana's people
कभी नंदगांव के पानी तक नहीं
never
पीते।
take water
हमारे
from
बेटी की शादी कहाँ हुई?
Nandagaon because our daughter got married in Nandagaon. So they have this kind of feeling.
उसी प्रकार संत महात्मा कहने
So
लगे,
Sant Mahatma said,
अरे सेठ जी आप
Are Sethji,
क्यों बातचीत करते हैं?
why are you worrying?
राधा जी की बेटी मान लो,
Radha ji is your daughter.
इससे और क्या है?
Why are you worrying?
हैं? राधा जी तुम्हारी बेटी
Radha
है।
is your daughter yourself. Why are you worrying?
ऐसे करके संत
So saying
महात्मा ने
like this,
एक सुंदर राधा के
he
चित्रपट
gave him a beautiful picture of Srimati Radharani and said, Look,
जब आप विश्राम करने के लिए
when you
जाते
go
हो,
to rest,
जब सोने के लिए
when you go to take rest or to bed, and always keep kissing and touching this chitrapat, thinking like that she is my daughter. Keep always with you, Alingan, hug her, hug this chitrapat. Sethji,
संत महात्मा के
say,
उपदेश के अनुसार
okay, following all the instruction of Sant Mahatma and did the same thing. And what he got the chitrapat, a beautiful chitrapat of Srimati Radhika Rani, he
जब सोने के लिए जाते
while he was going to sleep,
हैं, सोने के लिए काम के लिए कहीं नहीं
so wherever he was going,
जाते। पहले चित्रपट के अपने
so
बेटी
first he
की
used
वजह
to
से
do the chitrapat. He used to hug that
जैसे
chitrapat.
आपकी छोटी बेटी हो, आप
Just
काम
like
के
that,
बाद
if you have a
बाहर
little
क्या करेंगे?
daughter, so what you do? If you have a little daughter, whenever you go out, then what you will do? You will hug her first.
राधे
You will kiss her first.
है, बस
So
आलिंगन करके
the Sethji did the same thing with that
फिर जब काम
chitrapat.
से लौटते हैं,
While he was returning from work,
बेटी के नाम लेकर काटते
so he said to her Beti, calling her Beti, "Oh Lali,
हैं, कहते हैं इधर
please come to
फिर
me."
लाली को पकड़ा, फिर आलिंगन
And then when Lali was with her, he always used to hug her and ask her, "Are you okay?" Sometimes he keep her on shoulder.
देखो सेठ जी ठीक उसी
The
प्रकार
Seth he did like the same things.
कभी छठी में लगा
Sometimes he used to keep hug that chitpat.
अपने बेटी को
Sometimes he used to kiss that chitpat.
ऐसे करते करते
While doing the same
लोग
thing,
एक साथ चले गए। एक दिन क्या
2 or 3 years passes.
ब्रज में अभी पर त्योहार होती है
So there are many festivals in the Brajas.
ब्रज में ये
There was a festival in Braj. There are many kinds of festivals.
क्या होते हैं
So what happens that day? All the Braj gopis, all the Brajvasis, the married or unmarried, used to put on bangles in their hand.
ऐसे क्या होगा
This is kind of a festival there.
तो सीख बहुएं कहने लगी
So three daughters, wife said to the Sasurji, to the father, "Father,
विशेष उत्सव है
there is a special occasion there. We would like to get bangles in our hand." Sethji said,
कोई भी बात नहीं
"Okay, no problem.
है। मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ दुकान जा रहा हूँ
I'm going to the shop now.
और रास्ते में तो हमने वो
There is a chudi wala.
मणिहारी के
There is a bangle seller on the way. So I will tell him, he will come to you and will give you bangles.
और आकर के 12 बजे आ जाएगा
When he will come at 12. So you can get the bangles from him. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
सेठ जी
Sethji,
घर से निकल गए
when he went out from the
और
home,
अपने रास्ते में
on the way he said to the bangle sellers, "Oh bangle seller, oh Mani Hari, do one thing.
हमारे घर में जो है
There are 3 ladies in my house.
उन्होंने चूड़ी पहनी
You go and give them bangles." And know one thing, that whatever the money you need, you can come to me and take from me.
बंद करने के पहले
While I was closing the shop, you can come to me before 6. You can come at 6.
मणिहारी बोले
Maniari said, "Okay, okay,
ठीक
Sethji.
12 बजे
Okay, at the sharp 12 o'clock, I will go to your home."
सेठ जी के घर में आए
And at sharp 12, he went to the home of Sethji.
तीन बहुएं एक-एक
There were
करके
three ladies come out one by one.
और ब्रज की रीति मैंने बताया
And this is a Braj riti, that all the Braj gopis, Braj badhus have a parda. They take out the hand and Manihari give them bangles. 3 ladies,
पीछे घूम कर
one by one, they got all the bangles.
लज्जा होती है अच्छा चलो तीन बहुएं जब चली गई
When three ladies gone, there is a little beautiful girls came.
मानो चित्त के लचाती हुई
No, she is attracting the heart. She was looking like she is attracting the heart. She came to the Manihari and asked to the Manihari and gave her hand to him. And Manihari was thinking, maybe she belongs to her home.
उनके घर में कितना
He doesn't know that.
बहुओं की चूड़ी पहना है
So he doesn't know that how many ladies in the house, in the home.
इनकी घर की कोई
So Manihari thought that maybe she belongs to their home. So what Manihari did,
के हाथ में
he gave the bangles to that Kishori, that small girl,
चली गई
and he went away.
मणिहारी ठीक 6 बजे
And Manihari went to Sethji's shop at sharp 6 and asking for money.
कितने पैसा है सेठ जी ने बोला
Sethji said, "How many money do you need?"
मणिहारी ने बोली
Manihari said, "This much of money."
सेठ जी बोले
Sethji said, "Okay,
तुम ज्यादा पैसा क्यों मांग
you are
रहे हो?
asking for more money."
ज्यादा नहीं है सेठ जी
He said, "No, I'm not asking more.
मैं आपके ज्यादा पैसा नहीं है
I'm not asking more money."
नहीं इतने पैसा कैसे हुए
Sethji said, "How much? How many money? It can be possible. How it is possible? You are asking for more money."
चार को जो है
There are only
7 दिन के हाथ में मैंने
So Manihari said that I give the bangles to the 4 ladies in your house
चार के लिए पैसा नहीं चाहिए
because I need the money for 4 people.
सेठ जी बोले हमारे घर में चार काम है।
Sethji said, "Oh, I just have 3 ladies. My patni, my wife has got down. I just have 3 ladies in the house. So how are you saying 4 girls, 4 ladies?" Manihari said, "I am not telling lie."
सेठ जी बोले ठीक है
Sethji said, "Okay,
तीन के पैसा नहीं
I can give you money for
और
3,
मैं घर में जाकर देख छानबीन करके देखूंगा
and I will ask to my home that who is the 4th one."
मणिहारी बोले सेठ जी
Manihari
जैसे
said,
आप इच्छा
"Okay, as you wish, do whatever you like."
सेठ जी ने क्या
Said
की?
what Said did?
तीन जो बुक जो पैसा जो है मंचूरियन को पैसा दे
So he got the money for the three ladies.
अच्छा मणिहारी घाट लोग चले गए
Manihari went to his
और
home,
सेठ जी फिर दुकान
and
बंद
Sanji
करके
he closed the shop and went to
घर
home.
आए उस दिन
When he reached the home,
सेठ जी थोड़ा थके हुए
so
थे
that time Shiji was too much tired that day.
वो भी पूछा ही
So
नहीं
that's he didn't ask the ladies of three ladies to the house that
कैसे चूड़ियां पहनी कैसे
how was the Bengals are. He didn't ask about them. So after eating prasad and food, he went to sleep.
सोने के लिए जाते हैं
When he was going to sleep,
सेठ जी क्या करते थे
so regularly I told that what Shiji used to do. He always used to keep that. He always kisses and hugging that
ये
Chitrapat.
करके हम
What he did,
नीचे जो है
what he saw, there are some Bengals inside that Chitrapat. Seji thought my three ladies maybe they put here.
ऐसा मुझे नहीं
You go, you know.
सेठ जी ने क्या की नित्य
What's
पुस्तक जैसे नियम के अनुसार
Usually
चित्रपट
Shiji,
के आलिंगन करके चुम्बन
he was
करके
kissing the Chitrapat and hugging the Chitrapat,
मान के फिर
and he went to sleep. Usually he used to do the same
देखो
things. What happened? It is very astonished.
हर रोज सेठ जी जब
Every day
अब वो चित्रपट के राधा के चित्रपट के आलिंगन करके चुम्बन करके सो जाते
when he went to sleep, like doing the usual things.
बस राधा की सपने में आ गए
Oh, so he got the dream. When he went to sleep, he got a dream. Radharani came in the dream, and she was smiling,
साक्षात रूप में सपना में उनको
and he was seeing Srimati Radhikarani.
जागृत है
He is in a dream, or he is
छोटी सी गिरतरी में अंगना बिंदोली आओ नेपाली आपा की छम छमा छम बोले है जो कीर्तन करते हैं
We used to do the kirtan
सारी रात
whole night.
सेठ जी
Sethji,
झुक जाते हैं। किंतु देखो आज नींद तो आई है सपने में राधा जी नहीं आई बहुत प्रयास की
he did too much efforts, but there was Radhaji not in the dream.
है? आज
Oh.
सपने में संग सेठ जी करने लगे
Sethji used to got the dream of Srimati Radharani every day, but this time today he was not getting any dream of Srimati Radharani. And in the dream, Sethji used to say, "Oh Radhe, where are you?"
देखो सपने में वो बोलते हैं
He is saying in the dream, "Oh Radhe, where are you?"
बहुत समय तक चलते
After so many times,
फिर सपने में क्या देखा
what he saw,
राधा जी
राधा जी Radhaji is crying,
पूरा मानवती होकर के
and he had some ego. She is doing man, and she is standing aside a little bit far.
सिर को नीचा करके
She bowed down her head,
और आंखों से आंसू
and she was crying,
मानो राधा के घुंडाले बाल
No,
अपने मुखार में
Radhaji is curling hair. She has hide her face with her curly hair. No.
सेठ जी बोले अरे
Sethji
लाली
said, "Oh Lali."
सपनों में
In the dream he said, "What happened?
तू तो मेरा बेटी
You are my daughter.
है हर रोज तो मेरे पास
Usually you come to me, you always dance before me. Why are you not coming today?"
किंतु
Radhaji said, she is not replying.
सिर को नीचा करके
She just bowed down her head and she is crying.
पैर के उंगली के द्वारा मानो भूमि के जो है खोदते हुए है और अपने हाथ को जो है
Now,
क्या बोलते हैं
folding,
मसाज
massage kar. She is massaging her hand. She is crying and massaging her hand.
सेठ जी बार-बार
Sriji again and again saying, "Hey Lali, what happened? Why are you not coming to me?
क्यों रो रही है
Why are you crying?
बता
Tell me.
क्या आपके आज भोजन ठीक से
You
नहीं
didn't eat properly today?
क्या मेरा बहू ने
Did the bahu, my lady said anything to you?"
है फिर रानी
Radharani was not replying.
सेठ जी बार-बार कहने पर
Again and again Sethji said,
फिर राधा जी कहने लगे
Radhaji said,
बेटी तो बनाया नता नहीं निभाया बेटी तो बनाया नता नहीं निभाया। तीन बहू के याद करी बेटी याद नहीं, बेटी तो बनाया नता नहीं निभाया। तीन बहू के याद करी बेटी याद नहीं।
Said you got to know.
फिर राधा जी पुनः कहेंगे, तीन बहू के चूड़ियों के पैसा दी।
Are you getting this song?
मेरी पैसा नहीं दिया, बेटी तो बनाया नता नहीं भाया।
You
तीन बहू के याद करी बेटी याद नहीं।
Radharani is saying, you said that I am your daughter, but you were thinking only about the three ladies. You didn't remember me when Bengal Sira came to the home. You were thinking only three ladies. You were thinking about them. That there is no. You didn't think about me that I am the fourth one.
दुकान में तो मणिहारी गए थे।
Okay, then when Manihari went to you, so you gave the money for the three ladies only,
और मेरे
and you have forgotten me.
बेटी राधा जी को मैंने तो याद ही नहीं किया।
And I did, and then Sidji came to know, oh, I didn't remember the Radha. There are three ladies in my heart, then who is the fourth one?
अभी सेठ जी की याद है।
Now Sidji came to know, oh, the fourth one is Srimati Radhika Rani.
अभी याद है क्या बोले?
Now he came to know,
बहू के याद करी
you remembered three ladies,
बेटी याद नहीं।
but you didn't remember the daughter. You think that I am your daughter, but you didn't bond the relationship.
नाता नहीं निभाया। हैं? तीन बहू के सब समझ कर रख दिया बस।
You just know about you had a relationship with only three ladies, but you didn't think about me. But I'm not your daughter. I'm not just like a chitpat only.
मुझे बेटी मानती हो।
You know that I'm your daughter.
अरे बेटी की तो होगी
But
क्या?
so you should have more love towards your daughter. These ladies are ladies. These are all your bahus.
देखो बात सत्य है कि नहीं?
It's not true.
हैं? बहुएं तो बहुएं ही हैं।
Bahu hai to bahu hai. The son's daughter is just son's daughter.
अपने पत्नी के लेकर चली जाएगी।
And if the son says that I have to go out, so he can take away the wife, but you cannot give her daughter to them.
अब बेटी की याद नहीं है।
You didn't remember
तीन बहू के तूने
the
पैसा
daughter.
दिया।
You gave money for the three,
और मेरा पैसा नहीं।
but you have forgotten me. How?
सेठ जी
Said he sad.
विचार करने।
He was thinking, oh yes, she's saying right.
जल्दी जल्दी सेठ जी
And
है कुछ
he get up early morning, and he left everything and he went to the Manihari's house, the Bengal Singers. It was a Brahm Muhurat, and he knocked the door. Manihari, please come out. Manihari was sleeping that time, and he thought, who has come so early at my home? Who is knocking my door? It was so early. Then Manihari opened the door and he saw the Sethi is standing there outside. And Sethi while crying, Manihari, you are so much fortunate. You visited you have visited her because you give her bangles. She was appeared before you, Sakshat. She was with you and you give her bangles. I have forgotten. I had my daughter. I am giving here to money. I came here to give money to you. Please take the money. I just argued with you. I just did. I thought that there are three ladies only. Who is the fourth one? I didn't get that time. Now I got to know. Please take the money. Manihari said, oh Sethi, I don't need the money. Raja Rani has appeared before me. When she has acted the bangles of mine, then how I don't need money more.
सेठ जी बोले नहीं नहीं
No, no, no.
तुम जब तक पैसा नहीं दोगे
Till then you will, until you will not take money,
और ना राधा जी मुझे कुछ पसंद नहीं
she will not please to me.
पैसा
Please take the money.
इसी प्रकार से सेठ
So,
जी
however, Sethji has gave the money to the money, the Bengal singer, and when he returned to the
देखो
home,
आश्चर्य की बात
it
है
is very, Ashcharya.
सेठ जी जब पैसा लेकर आए
When Shiji came to give money, when he saw,
के सामने जो चुनिया पहन
he saw there are too many bangles before the Chitrapat. Oh, no. The bangles were put, keeping on before the Chitrapat, that has gone away, disappeared. It's not, it is true incident, it's not just a illusion story. This is a Barsana. Barsana is a very Divya Dham, transcendental Dham. Swayam Radhaji, she got pleased, and then she came to, like a little girl, she used to dancing, wearing that bangles, and she danced there. And the Braj people used to do kirtan. But what is the story behind that? Hari Kartavya Hai. Choti si kishori mere angna mein dole re.
मैंने बातें पूछी लाली कहो तेरो नाम रे हसती बता मुझसे राधा मेरो नाम रे देखो सेठ जी के सामने साक्षात रूप में
And she was dancing herself. She Radharani got pleased with the Sethji. And she was dancing there. And Sethji, and he was thinking that I am so much fortunate. Because the Sant Mahatma's Vakya, the words never go waste. Because my mean to say, the Sant Mahatma said, the Radharani, think Radharani your daughter. Manuna, she is not just thing, she is your daughter. You got the birth in the Barsana. After so many, Sukritya when comes, then you get the birth in Barsana. And now you got the birth in Barsana. So what do you need more? Radharani, just think Radharani is your daughter. Don't think that Radharani, she is your daughter. So my mean to say, Braj is a very Madhur Dham. If you touch the Dhuli or Braja, and if you take and the Brajvasi's prem, we cannot describe. It's not, you cannot understand. We cannot describe by the Tarka argument. After so many births, fortunates when comes, if you got the birth, you take the birth in Braja, and especially in Varsana, you cannot describe. Or in that Varsana, where Brahma is austeriting doing there, and Vishnu is also doing austerity in Varsana for getting the mercy of Srimati Radhika Rani. At last, and Brahma got Parvat. Brahma got Brahma Parvat there in Barsana, where Brahma Parvat, Srimati Radhika Rani, where on the Brahma Parvat there is the Leela. Leela is going to Vishnu Parvat. One side is Brahma Parvat, and second side is Vishnu Parvat. Who we are? We are nothing. Getting the birth in Virgin. And in Varsana, it's not simple, ordinary things taking birth in Varsana. The Jeev is wandering here and there in this world, in this Aneka Brahmand. But when you take the birth, Nandgaon, Varsana, this is transcendental Dham, when you got this word, got the word there, then you got to know there is no more time or less. There is no more time left. There is no more time left to get abode of Krishna's. This is our last word. Bolo Radhe Rani ki jai. Jai 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 Shri Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe Rani ki jai.
महारानी की जय, राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय, राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय, राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय। राधा रमन गिरिधारी, गिरिधारी शरण बनहारी, मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी, गिरिधारी शरण बनहारी, मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी, गिरिधारी शरण बनहारी, मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी, गिरिधारी शरण। तो आयो वृंदावन तेरी तेरी चरणों में, मैं तो आयो वृंदावन तेरी तेरी चरणों में, ओ मैं तो आयो वृंदावन तेरी तेरी चरणों में, मैं तो आयो वृंदावन तेरी तेरी चरणों में, ओ तेरी तेरी चरणों में, ओ तेरी तेरी चरणों में, ओ तो आयो वृंदावन तेरी तेरी चरणों में, तो आयो वृंदावन ओ मैं तेरे तू राधा राधा तेरी तेरी
पूजा करो।
महाराज एकादशी को
19 काल है, महाद्वादशी है।
महाद्वादशी आज बता रहे?
नहीं काल आज द्वादशी नहीं काल। अरे सब ठीक ठाक है। अब काल की है एकादशी, काल काल है सब हैं? बढ़िया क्या सुनो? अरे माला ले कि नहीं? ऐसे चलो, आ जाओ। चलो भैया, आर यू रेडी फॉर तुलसी पूजा? दिल्ली वासी, आर यू रेडी फॉर तुलसी पूजा?